the first thing to say, is that Trafex and Parkex are the event for all of us who are involved in making the roads safer, making them more efficient, making them better value for money for the people who use them. And this year is a very special year because this is the year we know that the government's announcing Highways England. It's, of course, the next iteration of the Highways Agency. It's a much bigger programme. There's a lot more money to be spent, but clearly also a lot of concentration on getting better value for taxpayers. So this is a year when the kind of innovation you see on display here at Trafex and Parkex and in terms of the work that ITS UK does on the technology side, when it's becoming even more important than it usually is. I'm looking forward to this show. Should be a great day.
Over the last 3 days, we've had a really good conference session, and some of the key themes this year have been on smart highways, expressways. We've also been looking at planning for cycling and cycle safety. We've also had some quite interesting debates looking at the future of have we reached peak car, and also looking at continuing professional development.
Beside the fixed camera, we also have a D-series. D-series is a dome-shaped camera with visual camera and a thermal imager all in one.
For us, it's been great to actually demonstrate our new Service Operations Centre, which we've launched here at Trafex, and that's where we can remotely run the local authorities or customers' network for them using our new launched Stratos system. So that's for us has been the key thing, to launch that Service Operations Centre from Siemens. We can run your network for you remotely. It's a pleasure to have been at Trafex the last 3 days. What a superb event, lots of footfall. We're very pleased with our stand and indeed the whole show. And for us, we see Trafex as being the pinnacle, really, exhibition in the UK. And it's great every 2 years. I think every year would be too much, but every 2 years, bringing industry together, share experience, and indeed showcase new products. Indeed, that's what we've been doing the last 3 days. It's been great.
Our purpose at Keysoft Solutions is to create outstanding software and provide unrivaled service that inspires the design of safe roads and memorable landscapes.
We're demonstrating several projects in Trafex. The blue one is what we supply to Northern Rail. The idea is they have unmanned railway stations, so they want to have either a call for assistance button or an information button.
2014 was a year of innovation for Metric. 2015 is a celebration of that innovation. We've got a great client in Tesco that's bought the VivoPark product, and we're now here to celebrate that at Parkex and showcase it to the wider audience.
In my role as Chairman of ITS UK, I'm really excited to be at Trafex 2015. There's a lot going on in the UK at the moment, especially in the arena of autonomous vehicles, connected vehicles, and really how the driver can communicate with the roadside to get more information and have a safer journey. There's an awful lot of our member organisations here who are involved in this technology and the autonomous vehicle trials that are going on in the UK. What I've also seen at the exhibition is there's a greater awareness of vulnerable road users like cyclists and pedestrians, and a lot of exhibitors here are starting to look at ways of making the journey for them safer, with safety systems for vehicles that can protect cyclists and make the cyclists more aware of the road they can drive on.
What we see demonstrated up here is intelligent lighting, which is linked with ImageCity. So therefore you can design strategies such as, at this level of traffic flow, we want this level of light brightness. Looking back on the past few days, it's been brilliant because this is, for the first time ever, we've had a presence both in Trafex and Parkex, because ImCheck Traffic and Infra UK has shared stands with WPS, also part of ImCheck Traffic and Infra, to show the opportunities of integrated solutions between our two companies.